In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user registration system to your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functioning registration form that will enable your users to easily sign up on your site. Now let's get started and we'll walk through these straightforward steps together. First, go ahead and navigate to wordpress.com in your web browser. This is the central hub where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, you'll see the login option staring right at you. Give that a click to proceed. The login process is quite intuitive, and in this tutorial we're going to simplify it even further by logging in with Google. So once the login page appears, select the Continue with Google button. This will direct you to choose the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one that's linked to your WordPress site. It's really convenient as this method spares you from remembering yet another password. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your WordPress dashboard, a powerhouse of possibilities. Head over to the right panel where you'll notice a section labelled Quick Links. Here, select Edit Site. This action will guide you into edit mode where we will bring your registration form to life. With the edit mode enabled, shift your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You should see an Add button, a gateway to adding new features or content blocks to your page. Click on this button to unveil a world of WordPress blocks. What we're looking for today is the registration form. In the search bar that pops up, type in registration form. This search will whisk you straight to the block you need without any unnecessary scrolling. As soon as you spot registration form, give it a firm click. This adds a registration form block to your page, which is ready to be customized as per your unique site requirements. This form will allow users to register on your website, offering fields for necessary user information and a submit button to seal the deal. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've effectively added a user registration system right into your WordPress website. This feature not only enhances user interaction, but also helps you build your website's community more efficiently. Remember, you can always customize the registration form according to your site's needs to give your users the best registration experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into maximizing your website's potential. See you in the next one.